So we're almost finished with track preparations on the Conquest before our first track event. Only one thing left to do, longer rear wheel studs. So let's get at it. Pretty simple. You just need this lug stud installer. It's basically a bearing. And you need a through hole steel lug nut and a hammer. First thing you want to do is make sure your lug stud is in a position that will be knocked out. And then you give it a Judy whack without hitting the rotor. And then you feed the new stud in and you give it a little Simba. Then you install the lug stud thingy, the bolt, and then you send her home. And then you rinse and repeat for all of them. Big shout out to my boy Mike over at MKS for hooking me up with some longer wheel studs.